Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about present perfect progressive tense, which is also called present perfect continuous. In case we want to express the duration of an ongoing action, we use the present perfect progressive. Here is an example. I am studying at the moment. This sentence is in present progressive form. I have been studying for 3 hours. Here we are talking about the duration of the progressive action. So the sentence must be in present perfect progressive form. The basic structure for the tense is have or has plus been plus the present participle form of the verb. As you know, the present participle form of the verb consists of its root plus ing. There is an important point to remember. Some verbs are not compatible with continuous form. Following examples are not correct. First example, I have been knowing her since 2002. Its correct form is, I have known her since 2002. Second example, she has been owning this house for 10 years. Its correct form is, she has owned this house for 10 years. Okay, dear friends, please feel free to ask your questions in the comments. I'd also be glad if you had any suggestions to improve our content. At the end, if you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in the future. See you soon. Bye.